So I'm just doing a little bit of layering here with some short 2mm mixed dark and medium static grass. This is like the 9th or 10th layer, I think, of just, like from the wooden foam up. The fast mash or cell clay, and then, some light earth paint with the airbrush, and then just start static grassing things. In fact, there was, I'll just say this part here, like, I find that, like, you get thatch that's down inside these larger fibers. Like, see the larger fibers? I find that you can get this down in there, and the way to do it is to mist it with water after you do it. Like, once you get some of this in there like this, and then you just stab it in. Like, this is really robust. Like, when this dries, like with static grass, like, it's not going anywhere. Like, once you really brush it off good, and what's left you just work with. And I really stab it in there, and then sometimes I'll mist this with water and then flood in really thin matte medium, and it'll harden it with a transparent sort of matte finish. If I ever get any kind of adverse reactions with this, I mean, it happens not very often with this professional grade, but a little sort of a gray blemish or hue, I just airbrush it out with isopropyl alcohol and an earth tone, and it's gone. So, but I love the simplicity of it and the reliability of it and the longevity of acrylics, especially the mediums, for adhering, your terrain. So this is getting really close now. This is sort of, the idea is sort of late summer, early fall